What's going on with the crypto prices lately, people? Okay, I was just looking at this what was it, earlier today, and I didn't realize it, but Bitcoin has crashed. Bitcoin is gone down. Any of you out there, big Bitcoin people, or you got a lot of crypto, let me know. But what do you think of this? Because I'm looking at the 5-year graph right now, and you can see it's plummeted. It's almost to where it was last year. God help us. No, but really, it got up to what? 64,000 at one point. Now it's down to 28, 29. You know, here's what I think. People. I think if you have crypto, and again, I want to preface this with I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Don't listen to me. I'm an idiot, okay? But if I had a bunch of crypto, which I don't, I would just hold on to it, okay? Because who cares what happens to the price right now? It all matters how much you have of it. And right now might be a good time to buy. You know what I mean? Might be a great time to buy if prices are dropping and it's something that you actually believe in. That's just what I would do. I don't think any of this up or down really matters, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. Seeing how cryptocurrency is a very volatile thing, very volatile asset. So yeah, I think these kind of things are going to happen, and I think this spike, from going from what 10,000 all the way up to 55,000 in a matter of months, I think that was a little unrealistic. And I think maybe now it's just going to start settling back into a normal upward trend, but it needed to kind of fall into place to get there. I don't know. It seemed a little inflated if you ask me, but that's just asking me, and I'm an idiot, so don't listen to me on this. But yeah, I think it is kind of funny how Bitcoin just plummets and the world starts freaking out about it. And yeah, that's where we are today. I'm also curious if there's anybody out there who has one of those cryptocurrency credit cards or crypto debit cards. Let me know. Let me know what you think of it, how it works. If you think it's a cool idea, obviously you're vested in it, so you must think it's a cool idea. But I'm curious to see if it's going to keep falling. I think it will a little bit. I think it'll do a little bit of a bounce back up again, but I think it'll overall fall a little bit more. I do think overall, though, year after year, I think it's going to start going up. I do think that's a good point. I do think that the government it's going to depend a lot on how government tries to regulate things around crypto. I think there's a lot more to it than we all think. But at the end of the day, it's still a very new thing. It's still very volatile, and so I wouldn't let this bother you too much unless you were like your life depended on you selling and your cryptocurrency in the next week. Then I could see how you might be a little stressed. But let's move on, shall we?